Hey guys, my name is Anita and thank you for joining me today. If you want to see how I took my clip-ins from this to this, then please keep on watching. I also share some tips about how I get my clip-ins to be this full. This is 2 bundles and it's so full, and I still have all this, and I still have all this untouched. I am wearing the clip-ins right now, and you can see how gorgeous they are and how full it is. So let me know what you think. Please like and please consider subscribing. Thank you. Isn't this something you'd want to wake up to every morning and just see? Just start your day with so much positivity. I can't explain how much I love this packaging. I've never ever received a package from a brand that is so detailed, that pays attention to branding and packaging. I love this so much. So much positivity right here, guys. So much positivity. Now, for every product you buy or every purchase you make from this brand, the founder, Latoya Thompson, is going to donate hair care products to local shelters. Isn't that amazing? So buy for a good cause, you guys. Consider buying for a good cause. So I received 2 bundles of the Fro Kinks clip-ins in 18 inches and the Oh My Gosh moisturizing and sealing oil. These are some other products you can get from their site. They have bath salts, they have body butters, hair butters, and leave-in conditioners, and so much more. If you also want to make a wig, they also have wefted. They also have wefted hair, regular clip-ins. Fresh out of the package, the hair comes bundled up. It is really tightly coiled. It almost looks like coily hair, but do not be deceived. This is kinky hair, 4C kinky hair. They had a lot of wefts included in this bundle, from the wide ones to the little ones. For comparison and reference sake in the future, I did a twist out left overnight on a piece of wefted hair, only using water, and you can see it holds curls really well. Now you would apply the same principle you would apply when washing your natural hair. You want to use lukewarm to warm water to open up the cuticles, right? So the product can penetrate and act on the hair. I just dissolve some deep conditioner into the water once it's warm enough. Now I'm going to take this hair and start working it into the water, or rather working the water into the hair with the product, trying to loosen up the curls. You can see there's already a big difference. The curls are loosening up gradually. Add more conditioner to the hair so we get some actual product and not just the diluted product in the water. Run my hands through so the product gets to the middle quite alright. And just be gentle with the hair in general, because it's not on your scalp doesn't mean you want it to shed uncontrollably or you want to manipulate it too much. Just be careful with the hair in general. And you can see the curls are coming through. Now once I've worked enough product into bowls and bundles, I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. Personally, I let mine sit for 30 minutes because some conditioners don't do anything more after 30 minutes. That's the maximum time. You can tell there is a big difference in how the bundles look. From the way they were packaged, looking so coily and small, you can see the full length coming through. I mean, you're not going to see the full length because this hair is going to shrink. You can see it has great shrinkage, which means it's good hair, you know, it's good hair. What I just did was to take my body wash / shampoo, yes, it is that great, and start working into the hair from the roots to the ends. Remember, just like you would your natural hair, you want to apply the shampoo to the roots of the hair so you don't dry out the ends of the hair. And you can see I'm trying to work my fingers into the bundles as much as possible so every single strand of hair gets product. If you have the time, you can go weft by weft, but this was to save time and I still had really great results. Washing the hair, in my opinion, does two things: clears the hair of any impurities that may have come across while processing, and also just loosen the curl to see the real and natural curl pattern, especially before you install. If you wanted to, you could also wash after installation. Really importantly, how you squeeze water out of the hair is really important. You want to squeeze like you're scrunching your hair from up to down so you can retain the natural curl pattern of the hair. Guys, look at those curls coming through, and you will get little shedding because curly hair sheds, all kind of hair sheds. Anybody that tells you it's not gonna shed, no, don't believe that. Hair will shed because even your hair on your scalp sheds. So what more hair that was processed and then sewn onto, you know, a strand or a weft. What do you see, guys? Look at those curls pop in. And it's really easier to comb now. I am so happy with how this method turned out. I mean, you don't want to comb too much. Use your fingers in between, finger detangle, and the more you detangle, the more fluffy it gets, you know. Make it fluffy, puffy. If you like frizz, if you love volume, this is it for you. My big hair girls that don't care, this is it. Woo! Look at those 2 bundles of hair. They look like 4 probably, right? Oh, this hair. No, this is hair. This is what I call hair. So guys, until the final stages before I install my hair, I am going to lay it down on a t-shirt or a towel. A microfiber towel is always best, so if you have that, go for that instead. I am using a clean towel here though. Look at those curls, you guys. Look at how elongated they are compared to when it came in the packaging. I love this hair, Heritage 1933. I love it. It's amazing. It's soft. It's true to length. It's popping. The curls are popping. It's everything. The last thing I do before letting the bundles to rest in peace, or dry in peace rather, is take each weft and spray on some leave-in conditioner, just so the entire bundle gets a little bit of product. And then I run my hands through, because if you just apply it to the surface, you're only going to get the surface coated, right? If you have a cream-based leave-in conditioner, that's fine, but just be careful not to be heavy-handed, because note that you don't want to make the bundles of the weft to be weighed down. You want volume, but you also want the curls to pop. For the real last step, I promise. I'm going to take the Oh My Gosh Seal and Moisturizing Oil and lather is a strong word, apply into my palms, rub through, and make sure each weft that's laid out, each bundle, gets a little bit of something. Yes, I said a little, just a little bit of something. I'm going to want to pick it up just to run my hands through and make sure, you know, the bundles are happy, they get something, they're happy. Guys, look at that shine, that spring, that bound. This is really good hair, Heritage 1933. These are my first clippings and I am so happy and beyond excited about how I'm going to install them in my next video. You guys can find me on my socials. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, All links are below, and in my next video I will be showing you how I install this hair step by step and how to get it really full. If you love big hair, you do not want to miss that video, I promise you. Note that you want to do this step when the hair is about 60% wet and not 100% wet, so the hair is not too saturated to accept product into its cuticles. This is really important, and I think you should note that. So thank you guys for watching, and we will talk really soon. Stay subscribed now. Talk soon. Bye.